Infinix launched its new affordable 5G phone under Note series in India called Infinix Note 50s 5G Plus, with quiet, cool-looking design. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Infinix Note 50s 5G Plus features a tall 6.78-inch Full HD plus 3D curved AMOLED display, with up to 144Hz refresh rate and up to 1300 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultimate chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Infinix Note 50s 5G Plus sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 64-megapixel main camera with Sony's IMX682 sensor, along with the 2-megapixel secondary lens. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. At the front it has 13-megapixel selfie camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5500 mAh battery, with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with XOS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it is military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance, and it also includes JBL-tuned stereo speakers for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.33 by 74.53 by 7.65 millimeters, and it weighs around 180 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Infinix Note 50s 5G Plus has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 15,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 17,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from April 24th, in marine drift blue, ruby red, and titanium gray color options. So, what do you guys think of this Infinix Note 50s 5G Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.